we got information that udu godown de suspected codeine syrups kan thakia laga amen khobor paise, and based on which amigan yate aigena ita raid chule ase. We are following a zero tolerance on anti narcotics. Abnian laga hati information ki thakishe gulibi abnian anytime abnian amian ge khobor dibe, and we'll take appropriate action as deemed fit.
Hello viewers, it is big breaking news ekta amigan Marari Pati Dimapur jundu JAIN BHAVAN road ase itu laga area bra ani dia ase ki suburban police station bra police officials kan aro commissioner of police bra top brass officers kan bra intelligence source hisab te takan yadi jundu JAIN BHAVAN road ase itu laga area ekta godown de suspectedly itu jundu illegal banned cough syrup codeine ase itu thaka laga opore takan intelligence source pa khopor dishe aro police personnels kan sob aigina itia amigan dikhi pai ase ekta godown ekta amigan itia confirmation banai tadi bra cartoon saman kan ola dikhi pai ase itu suspectedly jundu cough syrup ban korna ase codeine itu thakibo nishina amigan suspect ase kuti already police bra pick up ekta dido full load lui ja amigan dikhi paise aro itia auto laga pick up te aro load kura dikhi ase itia kiman quantity ase kun laga ase amigan itia khopor banai holy viewers itu laga opor de commissioner of police Dimapur laga top brass officers kan ba jundu takan itia raid kuri ase itu laga opor de ki koi olop detail bra huni sabo. Sir, itia apni commissioner of police office para jundu itia raid mari ase Marari Pati de amigan huni ase ki suspected ban cough syrup codeine do apni kan itu laga opor de apni raid kuri ase koti amigan dikhe ase apni la police laga pick up ekta full load lui jese itia auto de load kuri ase to sir quantity kiman ase aru itu godown du kun laga thakise aru apni laga itu investigation du kinika chuli ase sir janda kan gelop kobo.
Okay, thank you so much for the media persons for covering the news. At the outset, Moi Kovali Munjado Dimapur Police, as part of the ANTF team leader, I would like to say that Amigan, as part of our effort, Amigan narcotics ban globally and then anti-narcotics task force lies up there, we are conducting this operation. Amigan laga operation lies up there, we got information that udu godown de suspected codeine syrups kan thakia laga amen khobor paise, and based on which amigan yate aigena ita raid chule ase. We are following all due processes of law, and amigan yate of course ita still is an ongoing process where I cannot comment on exactly how many durishe duranai utudo in due course of time apnian media personals kan ki bhi janai dibo or public ki bhi janai dibo. But at the same time amigan ekta yate kole mon jadu hoise gole to amigan yate kon ase amigan public kan give urge kuru munja ase as part of our efforts apnian public kan give we want to address to you apnian laga hati information ki thakishe gulibi in terms of narcotic substance and everything. We are following a zero tolerance on anti narcotics, and apnian sob khobor thakishe gule do we have our helpline, we have our officers on duty. Apnian anytime apnian amian ge khobor dibe, and we'll take appropriate action as deemed fit.
No, sir, last question. Ido consignment do kun laga se sir apni kan ido jani paisina nai nole investigation do kininga chuli ase sir.
Yeah, of course it's very early to say right now. We have just received information, and accordingly we are conducting the search and seizure, and as and when amigan nutun khobor pabo utola hisabte apnian ge aro bhalba janai dibo.
So viewers, Dimapur Police headed by ADCP aro sub-urban police station bra police officials kan. Idu near JAIN BHAVAN Road area. Idu GODOWN area de takan talach kura apni kan dikhilu she aro jundo consignment yade illegally suspected cough syrup jundo ban codeine ase itu laga suspected takan police kan bra yade aigina takan GODOWN do raid kurishe aro police laga pickup ekta de full load lui jese itu pasote auto pickup ekta lui jagina itia tinda wala vehicle load kura dikhi pai ase aro ami kan itu building do saishi gule yade Brahma Kumaris Sachi Kita Pathshala inika likhina ase so building do ekta ase holibi building laga pichide saishi gule yade GODOWN ekta ase aro GODOWN de eku signboard nai aro jodi medical laga saman kan GODOWN rakhi ase company kunba laga yade signboard thakibo lage eku nai aro yade ADCP Dimapur Kilam Jamir Jundo tai anti narcotic task force laga Dimapur district laga team leader ase tai bra media few section logot kota kora homoide tai bra janibuli dise ki takan Jundo itia raid kuri ase itu laga opode tai bra ala comment kura nai holibi tai koi ase ki takan jundo saman uthai gina loi jai ase itu saman kan loi jai gina suburban police station de rakhibo itu pasote district truck controllers kan ke mati gina itu laga opode police kan bra tawai kan sob to verify kuribo ki yade parcel consignment jundo buka buka dangor dangor dikhi ase tadi kun jane itu illegal codeine to bi thakibo pare alag tawai bi thakibo pare itu sob to takan separate kuribo itu pasote janibo paribo ki takan jundo takan raid kuri ase itu laga opode suspected cough syrup codeine jundo ban gorna ase itu kiman paramot kurise aro itu GODOWN do kun brai cholai dakise itu laga opore bi takan eku comment kwana holibi takan kuse investigation kora pasote public domain de itu sob jani boli dibo now viewers ami kan sai shigule enika suspected cough syrup ban gorna taka codeine itu Dimapur police pra peshibar thuri ase recently bi takan Dimapur de itu Thopinala road area dibi takan West police station bra police personnel kan aigena itu paramat kurise now question dangor do jodi itu ban gorna taka cough syrup jodi itu Dimapur market alag alag GODOWN kan de rakhi ase gule itu main smuggler do kun ase kun laga mal ase aro yadi dangor question ekta do Nagaland medicine dealers association bra bi itu laga opor de ki koy ki hoishi gule medical laga saman kan enika illegally GODOWN kan palba register nokona rakhishi gule itu laga opor de bi Nagaland medicine dealers association bra ajirati Dimapur police headed by ADCP sub-urban police station police personnel kan bra itu raid mara laga opor de Nagaland medicine dealers association bra bi ki koy itu dangor kota ekta ase now ami kan rukhibo lagibo ki jundo public kan itu kan bimar time de doctor bra proper prescribe kurigina license taka khan bra he itu cough syrup codeine do as per doctor prescription bimar manugi diboli laga ase holibe ami kan Dimapur aro Nagaland di saishi gule inika drugs kha manu bra illegally itu codeine cough syrup do tos bishi khai gina nasha di thakiboli laga bishi manu use kura ami kan huni ase aro inika nishina illegally bishi manu bra ani gina demand bara bara bikri kura bi dikhi ase aro jundo Dimapur police bra iman dangor record ekta pass kurise itu laga opore public khan bra bi sob appreciate korbo lage ami kan idia time do saishi gule already 11 pm obole ase now viewers ADCP Dimapur bra kwa nishina ami kan rukhi dakibo ki itu consignment do kun laga takise aro kiman da takan suspected cough syrup codeine do takan paramat kurise aro ami kan hope koribo police bra itu laga related matters di jiman da involve ase takan ki giraftar koribo aro kanun di takan nishina saza dibo viewers kan itia karone mani for more updates apni kan side a global window moi ase Sungamayer with camera person Man Kaba Jamir reporting from Marari Pati Dimapur.